This video news report about Tesla Giga Texas is about who is doing what at Giga Texas, who is doing what type of work at Giga Texas, and maybe this is information that may be of high interest to those following the construction of Gigafactory of Tesla in general. So the information is generally sourced from the official website of the City of Austin and is part of the interactive development review, permitting and inspection process for obtaining construction permits. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from TalkNews.com. I have a very good information from our friend Joe Tegtmeyer, who provided this information and video from Texas Gigafactory and from Austin area. And please, before we get started, like this video to show your appreciation of Joe, and also subscribe to our channel, ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So who is doing what at Tesla Giga Texas? Joe says the permit of Tesla Giga Texas, or the case number for the construction of Giga Texas, is 2020-115336 SP, and the work type that Tesla is requesting is for building, parking, clearing of land, cut and fill of the land for reclamation and spoil disposal for the site. The official project name is Giga Texas, and the application date was 4th of August 2020. So you can see in such a fourth time since 2004, August 4 of 2020, how much work Tesla has done at Giga Texas. Of note is that the Tesla is requesting construction in a 280-acre area, which is consistent to the work we have seen on drone video of the construction site since the July 22nd, when the official announcement was made. Joe says it is my conjecture that they are only working on a 280 acres for phase 1 of the construction of Giga Texas, and like Giga Shanghai, add on additional capacity after they get initial operations underway. This is similar to what Tesla is doing in Giga Berlin as well. There, Tesla is working on phase 1, will get the Model Y assembly line up and running, and then they will continue probably with the battery cell production line. Also of note, Joe says, is the review of the site plan is to take place by September 2nd of 2020. So on September 2nd, there will be a review of the site plan, and the final master plan is due to the City of Austin by September 4, 2020. There are many other deadlines and target dates in this application, all of which must take place between now and the first week of September, with the exception of an adjustment review due no later than the 21st of December 2020. So keep in mind, September 2nd and September 4th, we will know more about probably the design of Tesla Giga Texas and what type of look it will have. Recently we learned how beautiful Giga Berlin was going to be. Now we're going to see how Giga Texas is going to look like. A number of key contractors for the actual construction of Giga Texas is now known as well. So the general contractor of Tesla's Giga Texas is Austin Commercial Incorporated, which, according to their website, is one of the largest, most diversified builders in the United States, is nationally recognized for exceptional safety records and innovative construction solutions in these markets: advanced technology, aviation, corporate office, healthcare, hospitality, landmark project, mixed use retail, residential, university, education, sports, public assembly, themed entertainment, and they are responsible for Austin Commercial. Austin Commercial Incorporated is responsible to provide all material, labor, equipment, and service necessary to construct Tesla's Giga Texas, including hiring specialized subcontractors to perform the construction work of Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin. The primary civil engineering firm providing design consulting for Giga Texas is EB GARZA EMC. EB GARZA EMC. According to their website, they were founded in 2012 as a civil engineering firm providing design consulting for land development and public works infrastructure. Headquartered in Austin and covers all major markets in Texas, with additional offices in Houston and San Antonio, and they are responsible for performing Giga Texas site development, construction management, and management consulting. It is EB GARZA EMC that filed this application to the City of Austin on behalf of Tesla, which I am reporting, friends. Ranger Excavation LLC, about which I've already reported thanks to our friend Joe, is the primary land grading contractor for Giga Texas. According to their website, they were founded in 1984 and have become the largest and most sophisticated earthwork contractor in Texas and one of the largest in the southern United States. They are responsible for performing the land reclamation, field leveling, and preparation at Giga Texas, which is what is going on right now. Martin Marietta Gearfield Sand and Gravel is providing all of the field, aggregate, and gravel for Giga Texas, and this work is ongoing at this time. According to their website, Martin Marietta Materials, incorporated into the Martin Marietta Corporation in 1993, is a member of the S&P 500 index, which Tesla may be one day soon. They are an American-based company and leading supplier of building materials, including aggregate, cement, ready-mix concrete, and asphalt through a network of operations spanning 27 states, Canada, and the Bahamas. Payne Industries is the primary survey company for Giga Texas. According to their website, they were founded in 2012. They have been serving the land survey and mapping needs of Texas for nearly a decade. They do oil and gas, municipal design, and drone UAV surveying, as well as construction staking. For Tesla Giga Texas, they are compiling 27,000 survey points around the perimeter of the current construction site and are on contract to complete this work within 60 days by the first week of October 2020. These survey point stakes are used by designers and the construction company to finalize locations and orientations of Giga Texas's building. Now, Martin Marietta Green Ready Mix Concrete will provide all of the Type 1 and 2 Portland and Type 3 cement for the construction phase of Giga Texas. According to their website, they are a part of the Southern Operating Division of Martin Marietta and part of the South Texas Ready Mix District. It is also located on site for Tesla's Giga Texas, which was previously home to the sand and gravel mining site. Finally, they are the company that Tesla paid $97 million to purchase the 2,100 acres that is now going to be Tesla's Austin Gigafactory to build Cybertruck, Tesla Semi, Model Y, and hopefully maybe one day even batteries. Now, friends, in the application, it was noted that the site is within a 100-year flood plain, but additional research has shown that the bulk of the area under construction is in the 280-acre area is outside of this, with only sections of the east and south in moderate risk, and the risk is moderate. According to the FEMA Flood Map Service Center and data from City of Austin Flood Pro, these areas are within a FEMA designated areas with a very small 0.2% annual chance. Floodplain is an area of 1% annual chance flooding, where average depths are less than 1 foot, and area of 1% annual chance flooding, where the contributing drainage area is less than 1 square mile, and an area protected from the 1% annual chance flood by a levee. Joe says, I have had several people asking, is Giga Texas at risk of flooding? This is a minimal risk and was addressed in the 4th August 2020 floodplain review as noted in the application. And Joe says, I'm sure Tesla and the contractors they have hired will ensure Giga Texas is safe from flooding. And Joe also said that he will be covering floodplain information for Giga Texas in a future update video. So friends, as you can see, there is a lot of information, a lot of interesting details and information that we just covered here. And let me know what you think about these things. And this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please also like this video to show your appreciation of Joe, who has been sending us several videos. I will have his link to his YouTube channel in the comment section, in the description section of this video. So You can also see and subscribe to his channel as well, support him, friends, and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and God bless you. See you soon, and take a look at the rest of this video if you would like, and I'll see you in our next Tesla report. God bless you and have a wonderful day, friends.